All right, folks, here's a quick one. Let's check an air filter on a Compass. This is a 2014. Other years are similar. It's fairly simple here. Okay, there's a 10 millimeter bolt that holds this whole housing to the shock tower. Just take that off, loosen this up, and this thing will swing out of the way. Then you have 6 of these 8 millimeter bolts. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. So take them all the way out, because just in case you don't get it all the way out, when you flip the cover over, you can fall into the engine compartment, and then you have a problem there. All right, so just grab the little piece here. You do not have to disconnect these, all right? This just flips up and over and out of the way. Okay, there you go. And with your other hand, you can just take this filter out. It just snaps right out. There you go. Okay, this one's fairly clean. You can look through here. So as long as you can see daylight, it's in pretty good shape. All right, looks pretty new inside. What model this one? This is a SA11048. So I'm going to say this is a Fram. Right, a little dirty there. That must have been when it was sitting on top, but it's pretty clean here. But even the dirty side, right there by my fingers, you can still see a little daylight. All right, it's good. I'd say the next oil change, you go change this filter. All right, so yeah, that's where it goes. It goes right in here. It fits right in that little snout right there. Push it in, nice and tight. And this cover will go right there. Make sure it's on tight. And that's it, people. All right, pretty simple. How's that for a quick air filter change that some shops will charge you good $25 to $50 just for labor. All right, that's it. Put all your screws back in, people. Make sure you snug them in, and that's it. Okay, that's it for the air filter check. Jeep Compass 2.4. Thanks for watching.